How to contact Bigo Live customer support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add all the queries and ask different queries to the customer team. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. So here you'll be able to find different options available. Now, slowly scroll down. Scroll down to the bottom part. Here at the last, you can see the option called Help and Feedback. Simply tap on Help and Feedback. Here, there are different questions that are auto-generated. So, in order to know it, here you can see different FAQs that you can find out. Here on the bottom, you can see different feedback and different reports. So, it's up to you how you want to report it. Simply tap on Report, and here you can add your report easily. So, the customer team will reach you out as fast as possible later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.